1, 2, 3.
Alright, hi everyone. Next, I'm going to show you how to run a DSC test. DSC stands for Differential Scanning Calorimeter, and this is the machine. In this machine, the most important part is so-called furnace cell. If I open it, and we have one top 2, and you see 2 knobs. Let me remove the samples. The 2 knobs. This knob is for the sample. That knob is for the reference. The reference pan generally has no sample in it, and in between that wire is the thermocouple sensor, so it can detect the temperatures. And this is the furnace where generally for this DSC we can heat it up to 400 degrees Celsius. And because with this cooler, we can go down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. So the DSC capacity is from minus 40 to 400 for this machine. If you have a different cooler, you might be able to go to even lower temperatures. It depends. All right. Now, remember, we put in our sample on the front. This is the sample side, and the reference side, this is just the empty pan, no sample inside on the back. And we close the lid. Close the top. This is how we load the sample, and this is the machine. Again, this is the cooler. Generally, we need to turn on the cooler about 15 minutes before the test. And this test will also run on the nitrogen. This is a very typical gas we need for the DSC. Now I'm going to give you a quick show about the sample preparation. You can use in different types of pan. This is the pan is from TA Instrument, and which is it's called the TS standard pan. Again, they are hermetic pan or high pressure pans you can use. Now this color tell you which kind of the die set we're going to use to make the DSC sample. For this 2 set, the pan and the lid, we use the green die set. So you put, this is the sample preparation kit, and you load this one to the top, this one the bottom, and we pick a pen. Then we take a lid. Okay. And I will pre-cut a sample here and put it on the balance. Now it tells me the sample weight is about 7.51 milligrams. And then we put it to the pan. This goes on the top. Then we load to this little dent. Then we push on the top. This is how we make our pan. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nick. Alright. Yeah. Alright, this is how we make the DSC pan. Now the sample is sealed inside the DSC pan, and the weight of the sample is 7.51. Alright. Now I'm going to load this sample to the DSC so we're going to run a test. Okay. Again, I'm going to remove the lid, take out the old samples, we put in this new one. The reference just has no sample in it. Alright. Next, we are going to set up the DSC program. This is the software we use, so-called the DSC Q20 TA software to control the test. Again, we have 3 tabs. For the summary page, we going to write down the sample name, which is polystyrene in this case, and the pen type we use is aluminum. You can see we have a lot of choices. It's T0 aluminum, and the sample size is 7.51 milligram, and we can save it to a folder. Let me make a new one here, called 753, and we click the folder, and we give a file name PS 11/27/2017. Click OK. For the procedure, the DSC is typically used to measure the glass transition or melting temperature or both of the samples. For polystyrene, we want to measure the glass transition of this sample, and I know the TG is around 100, so we'll just let the sample equilibrate at 65 and then ramp at 20 K per minute to 140 degrees Celsius, and then click OK. For the note, again, I'm putting my name there. This is when you are okay with your program, click apply, and then you can start your test right away. Again, this DSC test is going to take about 10 minutes to finish. So this is so far what we've done. We made the DSC sample, loaded the sample, we set up the program, now we click the start, and now it's all the instrument work. And the data generated will be automatically saved under this address. Okay, and later on, when the test is finished, I will show you how to run the data analysis. All right.